For media record and playback, Karrera has both an ImageStore and a ClipStore, and each of these has their advantages.
Absolutely right. The ImageStore, which deals only with stills, is a very, very fast RAM-based system. The big advantage of uncompressed RAM is that it is fast, but it also needs to be backed up. So inside our system we make automatic backups all the time, and the user can also command those backups to be made. Very, very fast to run, very, very easy to understand. All of our menus for media control look pretty much the same. Stills, clips, clip, record and edit. So let's look at stills first. To change a still on air, all I need to do is to touch the output of the still store I wish to command and very quickly just load another still. The nice thing that we've done inside here is understand that every time we use a still, we can pretty much guarantee it needs to be keyable. So the still I have on the screen right now is an exception to that rule. But when I do load a keyable still, it's instantly up, video and key, ready to be used on air. To load those stills initially, I can either grab them straight into the still store itself, or using my thumb drive, use the library system, which allows me to see discs. On those discs, contain stills. And for instance, if I want to load a new one which has never been in Karrera format, all I need to do is to point to it. Now I know that still 301 has never been used before. So that's all I do. I just say 301. And 301 will now land exactly in that number within the operational system. When I say copy and execute, it says, do you want me to convert 301 PNG to the internal format? I say yes. And there it is now, right away, not only uploading the still from my thumb drive, it's also converting it on the fly into the correct format. So that's how we get stills from thumb drive into the cache for on-air use. And like I said, there's an internal disk drive that can be used for the operator's commanded or timed backup so nothing ever gets lost. And a similar kind of operation works for our ClipStore. So in a similar way, when I go to target my ClipStore, you can see that within its directory structure, I can see all the thumbnails. So from my thumb drive directly to the ClipStore is an easy transfer. This time I do want to make sure that I have got the correct format. We're not going to do a complete format conversion within the menu this time. These are movies, these can be quite long. But what we can do is help you quite a lot. Inside Replay and Record is a tab called Clip, Record and Edit. Naturally, I can record movies directly to my server. It's not something I'd advise doing too often because thumb drive-based clip transfer by file from graphics department is so much easier. But once I've done this, I can go into Edit. And inside here, I can top and tail over records. I can build a multi-layer clip from video, key and audio clips to make one complete new clip for use on air, like for my transitions and so on. And I can slide each of the audio and the matte against the video. And finally, of course, I can join clips together so that I can make two clips into one. And all of this is happening within the Karrera menu system. Within the clip stores themselves, we have up to 10 hours of high definition recording. What this means is that for on-air operations, no longer do I have to be loading and unloading continuously to keep myself busy across all of my shows. A simple change of media folder gives me an instant change between shows while my studio stays on the air.